Hi, I'm Charmy Lord and it's Cocktail Friday. And today I'm making my very first Mai Tai. I was in an Italian neighborhood and I saw this Orzata and I thought, I'm going to be able to use that somewhere down the road. The day has come. So it's almond syrup, similar to Orgeat, delicious. And here's how it's going to happen. 2 ounces of rum, half an ounce of the Orzata, half an ounce of Cointreau, half an ounce of lime juice. We're going to really give that a good shake. Shake, 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 shake. And now, if you had one of those pretty little umbrellas, which I've always wanted to get, I should get some of those, and, you know, you could definitely use it with this drink. Alas, I'm going to go crazy on the citrus, a little lime peel, and a wedge of lime. My very first Mai Tai. Wow. Wow. I think I like it. Try it. Happy Friday. Spring is coming.